Glug, 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 glug. Oh, yeah. Today, that's the good stuff. Today, we are nitro at the RC track. All right, so here we are. I actually just got done running the, Typhon, jeez. And that thing's all-wheel drive, and I was having a hard time. I'll tell you what, this thing's got no reverse. I failed to mention that in my review. I don't know, this thing. All right. Yeah, that's one problem with this nitro, at least. There's no reverse. So, it's gonna be a lot of running around to get this thing on the track. Oh, this might have been a mistake. This might have been a mistake. Oh yeah, this thing almost like no traction. Well, look at the front tires, they're just ribbed. It's not doing too bad. It definitely does not take those corners very well. It's definitely not taking some of these turns very well at all. So we have to go a little slow, but this is cool, man. Nitro on the RC track. I'm probably gonna melt this glow plug down because we're not really on the gas. Really not seeing that smoke. Like, I see a little bit. Like I said, it's just a low RPM, so maybe that's okay. I'll ask the hobby shop. I'm about to head over there here in a minute, because tomorrow they're releasing the Jado. He just got him in, and he said I could come by and check it out, do a video with it. So I figured, hey, I'm driving all this way, let's get a couple videos shot. I'm pretty sure people want to see the Rustler here on the track. I gotta say, it's actually feel like it's doing a little bit better than what the Typhon did. The Typhon was, she was sliding everywhere. And I actually had the TLR tires on it for racing, the pin tires, which this actually has in the back. Oh, where am I going? Going the wrong way. So maybe that's helping this one. Plus this one does have the TQI. So we do have some gyro help, and I do have it turned up about 50%. Oh, get on my back. Because it is two-wheel drive. Yeah, I totally forgot to mention that on my review videos. One thing I don't like, there's no reverse on this one. There are other nitros that do have reverse. The one that I wanted, the monster truck, it does have reverse. I forget the name of that one. He did tell me they are a bit of a pain to work on, but You know, I will say, one of the reasons I didn't want nitros because of the noise, but honestly, it's not as bad as I thought. Maybe because this is a factory exhaust. Maybe it's just not as loud as maybe some of the tuned stuff you hear, you know, because pretty sure you all hear like these vehicles running around with glass packs or fart can hollow out mufflers that are way louder than so a muffler does make a difference. It can. This thing is actually going around the track quite well. Wow. I'm really, really surprised. I think one of the nice things with, Nitro is there's no, you know, in the electric cars when you let go, you got the motor and everything slowing you down. This just coasts. Dang. Yeah, cause see, look, like when you take off, look, that thing just rolls. Yeah, so the J-Tow is gonna be released tomorrow, but well, by the time you see this, I've already had that video out because I'm gonna push that one ahead of this. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like we got fuel. Hopefully it didn't burn out the glow plug. I love that starter. Dang it. Man, I'll tell you, I'm really liking this. I was really worried about a two-wheel drive, but I don't know, it's not bad. You know what the thing too, this thing is so light, really, you would kind of think nitro with this engine in there that it might be fairly heavy, but it's really light. So this is one thing I do miss with the electric cars, like when they're all-wheel drive, you have braking basically on all four tires because the motors, you know, you're trying to counteract the motor. The motor's putting everything in reverse. Here on the Nitro, no, you only have the back wheels. So it does take a bit more to stop these. Oh, wow, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the Nitro stuff. Man, I'll tell you, I'm kind of glad I picked one up. This is, it's different. Oh, no. So I do wish it had reverse. That would be kind of a nice feature. But man, this thing is... Ooh, I knew I got a little too happy on that. Yeah, I'm starting to get a little too worked up here. See, like this is just kind of a... simple thing I can't get myself out of. Fuck it, send it. Oh! It did it. It freaking cleared it. All right. Shortcut. Oh. I'm really surprised, even with the cheap shocks and everything, that it's doing pretty good. I want to run it out here a little bit, open this thing up. As you guys know, if you have like lawn equipment, you know, idling 2 strokes isn't the best. Man, this thing's doing good. I did put some, I did stiffen the front shocks up, but that was more just to try to keep those springs in place, because I know I have problems with those things. No. I should have brought the starter with me. Might be out of gas too. Yeah, I was about out of gas there. Look at. Let's see. I've heard people say about no bottom end on nitro, but is it as quick as a gas? No, but we can still carry a wheelie. That's freaking awesome. So I think I was saying before, with the shocks, I did put spacers in the front, but that was just to try to keep the springs from popping loose, because I had that problem before with my regular Rustler. Which maybe I got too much spring, because it's really picking up that front end. Oh, got the smoky goodness. RC Guy Garage is jealous. Oh no! Woo! Self-recovery mode. Oh man, this is freaking cool. I haven't done, well, any suspension other than putting those collars in, which, like I said, was just more or less just the front springs had no pressure in them whatsoever. And these really kind of cheap shocks just tend to lose the bottom perch. I said it might be a little too much because that front end doesn't seem to, it's just floating, but maybe that's just the power. Maybe it's just the car just picking the front end up. I probably could loosen the slipper clutch a little bit then. Yeah, it's probably what needs to happen. Probably need to loosen that slipper. But nah, I doubt a slipper is going to really do that much at that speed. Smoky goodness. Man. Oh, this is freaking awesome. Man, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to kind of show, like, if this thing would be any good at the track. And honestly, I'm blown away. It really did really, really good. But, you know, like I said, with it being a nitro, I kind of wanted to open it up a little bit and clean out that glow plug or whatever. I don't know. Not sure if that's how that works on these, but I don't think it can hurt. 'Cause, you know, there's oil in the gas, so you let it idle a lot, it can't really burn that stuff up. So we go wide open a little bit. Dude, this thing, yeah. All right, Beyond RC. Oh, I just got about, maybe you're onto something. Maybe this resurgence into nitro might be a good thing. I don't know. It's always good to try something different, man. That's why I say, don't be so close-minded, man. If all you have is Traxxas or all you have is Arma, don't hate on the other brands, man. Give them a shot. Go. Don't go based on, oh, my favorite YouTuber, unless it's me, did this. You know, RC cars can't handle everything, man. You can't just launch everything 15 feet in the air and judge it based on if something broke. You know, is that how you drive your personal car, your personal RC? I mean, if it is, then great. Yeah, if you've been watching that. And I mean, yeah, it does show kind of some of the durability of stuff to a point. But then I gotta ask, why are people bending chassis and breaking stuff on certain cars and I don't? I mean, I definitely don't. I don't do that to my cars, but I don't baby them either. I mean, I drive them, I run them, I jump them. Maybe not as high as some, but yeah, you know, I've seen quite a few people just dusting off the old nitros. And I was one of the never nitro campers. Like, I'm never gonna get nitro. They're loud, they're annoying, but is it something I would, well, I guess I did run it in my neighborhood, but oh, I just recently went camping, and did I bring this? No, I felt like this would just be a bit annoying in the campground. So, it probably a little bit more limited to where you can run these. Yeah, something going on here. Just not wanting to run very right. But man, everybody. Well, I'm on my way to the hobby shop. Maybe I'll get him to take a look at it and see if he thinks it's... Oh, it's hot. Damn. That's an aluminum chassis. The motor on it. They need that caution hot stick. Woo! Woo! Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the Rustler, the Nitro Rustler, run here at the track. I like it. I think it did pretty good at the track here. So, unfortunately, I can't. But there you have it, man. I'm kind of liking the Nitro experience. Oh God, look at all the oil. Oh, might be a bit rich. I don't know. I'll have Jimmy over there at the shop take a look and see what he thinks. But everyone, I appreciate the support. Greatly appreciate you giving me your time to watch my videos, support the channel. If you shop Amazon, link down below. Same thing if you want to buy an Arma or anything else through AMAIN or Horizon, I have affiliate links. Helps me out because I have to buy these cars. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We will see you next one.